So we're just repairing this top nail, 1 inch, actually 15/16. We ripped all the new material down from 2 inch, so it worked out kind of nice with the kerf of the saw, taking out the extra eighth. As with most of these top nail floors, done properly, there's supposed to be an extra subfloor. In this case, it's plywood on plywood. Can be shiplap on shiplap, shiplap over, or plywood over shiplap. So there's a whole bunch of different combinations, but in the end, it's supposed to be a 1 inch thick subfloor. I think this one's a tiny bit shy of that, but close enough. When you put it straight over a plywood, it squeaks like hell. These are already kind of squeaky floors anyway. Anyway, so we've cut out a splice to put in all the new materials. A couple of missing walls here from the renos. But by the time we're all done, this should all match in really nice.